You ready to rumble? All right, he's riding horse, I'm running. Let's see who keeps up first. All right, here we go. Horse versus human. Yeah, buddy. This horse is beating me right now. All right, I'm winning this time. I got the horse. I'm winning. I'm winning. All right, y'all. 3 miles down, we're walking on the pavement. Pretty good little jaunt, though, thus far. Shoes are holding up good. My new trail running shoes. By the way, y'all, that was the horse and not me. That's the culprit. 4 miles down so far. The horse took a detour. I'm in the lead. He's gaining on me. He's gaining on me. Sprint to the finish. He beat me at the end. Had me by a nose. And the crowd goes wild. And the crowd goes wild. Kind of funny, y'all. In the last video, I talked about how I wanted to be a horse jockey. Little did I know I would be the horse. Oh well, I guess it works out that way. All right, y'all, back from the horse races, back on my camera now. Crystal, what you eating today?
Today I'm eating 3 ounces of ribeye, 3 ounces of ground beef, some asparagus, and 2 eggs. There's also some mascarpone cheese.
Yeah, by the way, y'all, this is a great macro option that focuses. I mean, look at that. It's got 11 grams of fat, 0 protein, less than 1 carb.
And then I added some Walden Farms caramel to that, and then I'll have 1 thing of cheese.
Boom, let's do it. All right, y'all, real quick. I have a brick. I want to illustrate worst case scenario here. So I've intentionally melted this brick, left it in the heat of the sun in my truck, and you open it up and it's greasy and it's got the cacao butter that's melted. All right, this is the worst case scenario. So if you live, so if you live in a hot climate and it stays in the USPS truck for like hours in direct sunlight, this is the worst case scenario. Now we have had people in like where we have Texas and Florida that have had that have gotten bricks and everything's just totally fine. It kind of just depends on your USPS truck conditioning. But you open it up from the tin foil and it looks deformed for sure. That focuses. Yeah, see, there it is, focused. You can tell that looks deformed, but
it looks and smells delicious.
It still looks and smells really good. It tastes pretty good. So that's the worst case scenario right there. You better think about it too.
Oh, it's like really soft.
And a lot of people are melting them down anyways. So we're kind of trying to think of ways to combat this. And we've looked into refrigerated packaging. That's just like costs way more than the brick itself, so we may be able to find something out to do that, something to make that work. However, we're thinking about offering packaging like in liquid brick form, like it'll be a solid, but for all these people that are melting them down anyways and then repouring them into molds that are smaller so they can kind of have a smaller macro percentage, that might be the option, at least during the summer months. So I just wanted to showcase to y'all what the worst case scenario was. If you live in a hot climate, be wary of that. If you get a keto blob instead of a keto brick, we're sorry. Won't be as pretty, but the macros and everything will still be on point. So yeah, let us know what you think in the description, in the comments, what you think about like pouring the mixture into like a microwavable pouch that you could then in turn pour into your own individual mold, because a lot of people, we didn't even anticipate that, but a lot of people are doing that, so pretty good idea. But yeah,
they have like those pouches like the baby little like juice drinks. We could do something like that that's microwavable. So
yeah,
it's pretty good.
All right, you have a good one. I'm gonna eat this keto blob. Take care. All right, y'all, headed into a Starbucks, working on client macros. Crystal's gonna go to the gym. I went on a run this morning for my cardio of the week. Let's knock out these client macros. Alright, y'all, just got done working on some clients at Starbucks. Crystal has never been to Five Guys. There's a Five Guys across the street. I haven't been to Five Guys in years, like long before I ever even started keto. So I get a lot of clients that eat at Five Guys. They get like the bunless burger. We're gonna go try Five Guys. We're gonna get a bunless burger. We're gonna make it keto. We're gonna guesstimate what the macros are, and we're gonna see if the flavor is all that it's hyped up to be. So let's go get a burger. Oh, look at you. First time at Five Guys. Like a big deal or something. You got your peanuts?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, how are they?
I don't know. I'm assuming they're wonderful. I love places that sell peanuts. Or
they're free.
Give them for free.
There you go. Alright y'all, we just got our lettuce wrap burgers. Let's see what we're working with here. Boom, look at that. Bacon and cheese up in there.
Me.
That's what we're about to dig into. Here you go, babe. That's a good bunless burger, y'all. We got the bacon, cheeseburger, with the lettuce wrap, and sauteed mushrooms. So good. What do you think, babe?
Super good.
Super good?
Super messy. But so what I was craving.
Pretty keto, too.
Yeah, pretty keto. Really, really happy with this. I don't want to get this on film. It's messy.
Take a big bite. Oh.
Woo.
Alright, y'all. Just left Granny and Pop's house. Just did the Deeper State Keto live session. Thanks for jumping on that if y'all did. We're headed back to Fayetteville now. We got the bricks in the back. And we still have a lot to do tonight. So the night is young and so are we. So we'll catch y'all at the house. Alright, y'all. We just got back. It is 12:30 midnight. I had to stop 3 times because we were so tired. I had to stop, pull over, close our eyes, stop, pull over, close our eyes. Reminding you of the importance of driving safe and rested. But I did just get some stickers in. So let me open these up real quick. Show you what we got. I've never got stickers before. Whoa, check that out. Keto Savage stickers. And they package them pretty good. Boom! Look at that. It's legit. I got stickers now. It's official. Alright, y'all. I don't even know if I'm gonna go to bed right now or go to work. I don't know. But I'll catch y'all tomorrow.